did you guys enjoy the super wide cinematic shot? Well, that was actually taken with Mavic Air 2 with the anamorphic lens. I had to just move around because it's a no-fly zone here. But I thought it was actually interesting how anamorphic lens sort of take the video more compactly so that you can later stretch it out, so that cinematic look with that movie bar on top and the bottom is actually natural. But I think it might look actually better if you're closer to the subject. However, I had to be far away from buildings, even the sunset. I was actually going for that sort of glare effect, but I think it was sort of there, but not really. So today I want to talk about Mavic Mini 2. So there has been a leak in Adorama with the price of upcoming Mavic Mini 2. So the standard package of Mavic Mini 2 will be $449. That is actually $50 more expensive than $399. So are we probably gonna get 4K resolution? That's my guess. That's just my guess. Don't quote me on it. And the Fly Mode combo package of Mavic Mini 2 maybe at $599. That's $100 more expensive than the Fly Mode combo package of Mavic Mini 1, which I didn't even get. I actually ended up just getting the standard Mavic Mini plus one extra battery, which was actually more than enough, more than sufficient for me. However, for Mavic Air 2, because of the hyperlapse function, I wish I actually ended up getting Fly Mode combo instead. And one more thing, do I look different, guys? At all? Well, it's autumn. But it's not one of those questions that your loved one asks, oh, do I look different, honey? My hair color has changed, hint, hint. No, it's not like that. Well, in true Young 360 fashion, my question to you guys is, does my camera, the video shot, does it look different? Because right now, I'm actually using my first ever full frame camera on this channel. And let me just show you. Oh, okay. So yeah, Alpha 7C. So thanks to Sony lending me this camera for a couple of weeks to try out. So I'm actually using Sony Alpha 7C, the world's lightest, smallest full frame camera out there. It is, I think, looking rather wonderful. That nice bokeh effect of the beautiful autumn day. So you guys know next couple of weeks I'll only be using Alpha 7C for my videos, so I can really see whether full frame video will be better. One thing I noticed is because it's not cropped, I can actually stand closer to you guys. So I'll keep you guys posted. Please stay tuned, subscribe and like the video, and see you.